Still no glass windows yet on this wall here. That'll be next to aviation. Looks like some roof work. And I didn't hit the record button in time, but there was a horn sound. It looks like there's a piece going up. Let's see where they take it to. You can see there is some work that's been done here on the platform, and then skylights that are above that. Looks like this is getting pretty high. I don't know if it's going to go up and over the roof or somewhere else. Okay, it looks like glass. Some kind of glass panel. I don't know where it's going. I don't see anybody grabbing it. Oh, I think I do. There might be some guys in there. Might be going there. We'll see. It looks like it could be one of those side type of windows like we have over here on the ITF East. But remember, these are two separate projects. This is from LAX World Airports, and this is Metro's. This is Metro's handiwork over here. Where's it going? See a couple of workers straddling the roof area. I didn't think it was going to be going up on the roof, but maybe you see these lateral beams will have glass roofing. Unfortunately, I'm in a bad spot here. I'm limited as far as my angles go. It's have a limited pathway here to give pedestrians. Otherwise, you've got single lanes here on aviation because they're redoing. You can see there's a median here in the middle of the road. From what I imagine will be a widening project. Should be a little bit nicer going through here. But I'm a little bit limited as far as what angles I can get to. I just have this pedestrian walkway that goes all the way to Arborvitae. You can see some more kind of a roadway infrastructure. If not on the property itself, some type of grading that they've been working on, and hopefully in the next few weeks maybe we'll see some paving going on, and then we can get this roadway hopefully operational maybe by the summer. I don't know how much traffic they're going to want people coming through on this, but just some speculation here by an amateur videographer. So more road work here. They're flattening things up. So maybe that's a good sign as far as getting some kind of pavement down soon. Over here on this structure, you can see what appears to be a structure for an elevator system that will get you up to that platform, up on the upper levels, and then getting you either to the ITF or further on down to the Metro. And then this is Metro here, getting you down to Century Station. You can see on this upper platform things are beginning to take shape. another big steel structure here at the end of the station. I guess it's maybe an elevator lift system.